quick update here. So, I have the Telecaster, and I have a pink paisley decal from Rothko & Frost. I ordered a while back. It's a water slide decal. So basically what you had to do is take a satin gold, and I painted the top of it that satin gold. Rest of the body was this red color, kind of fades in nicely, and went over the top with a two-part epoxy that is here. I've seen it used before to make tables and any of that sort of thing. So high gloss finish. My debate was, do I stick with something that's a gloss finish or go with something that's a little bit, you know, more vintage looking? Well, I figured I'll give this one a shot, make it look nice, shiny, good in pictures. It's still wet, it's still drying, but y'all could at least see a little bit of progress of how it's going. Hope y'all are having a great day and your projects are coming along well. Take care. Happy New Year.